Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. So after this, the next topic we are going to discuss is the stack on mobile option for columns. Now, if you have been using, the blocks that are column based, then you must be familiar with the fact that these blocks come with an option to stack on mobile pre-enabled. Now here is the media and text block that I have added in WordPress 5.3, and you can see it comes with a stack on mobile option. But the thing here is that before WordPress 5.9, the columns did not offer this, did not come with this option at all. So let me just select the column block over here, and you can see it only gives me the option to increase or decrease the number of columns, but the option to stack on mobile is missing. Now this has changed in WordPress 5.9, and now you get the option to stack on mobile. This option comes pre-enabled and you can disable it as per your requirements. This is an amazing option that lets you create responsive columns in WordPress with just a few clicks. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.